In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson EcoTank ET-3760 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Epson EcoTank ET-3760 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should go back with an Epson domain. This is Epson ET-3760. Go ahead and open that up. And then scrolling down, you want to select your operating system from the list, whether it's Mac OS, Linux, or Windows, and then select the Go button. And then scrolling down again, you want to select the driver and utility combo package installer. Go ahead and download that. And then once it's downloaded to your device, go ahead and open up that file to run it. It should be a verified publisher. Select yes. And then just proceed with the on-screen wizard here. You can see that it does contain everything you need to use your Epson ET-3760 printer. Select OK, and then proceed with the on-screen wizard, getting your printer configured to your device preferences, like if you want to have a wired or wireless connection, as well as additional optional features and different software you can include with the installer here. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.